We are going to measure the density of an egg, and we talked before about how you need the mass and the volume to measure the density. So we are going to get these by measuring tablespoons of water. So first, on our homemade scale, Enoch is going to put the egg in a cup, and that will lower it down. Now Gideon is going to add water to this other cup to match it. So going to stand up so he can get it in. 1 tablespoon. Put it in. 2.
It might make a difference.
That's okay, that's okay.
Or it could be at 5.
We're at 2.
3.
Yeah, but I know this one. Maybe 4.
4.
Oh, I think I saw someone move. Let's see, 5.
5.
Again.
6. Whoa.
Whoa.
So 6 was too many. So let's take out
1.
You have 1 tablespoon? Okay. And we're going to add half teaspoons now.
If one does this,
But now that one's used.
6. 1/2.
6 and a 6.
1 teaspoon. Yeah, 1/3.
6 and a 1/3.
Oh. Now if you put this in, it's going to be too much.
No.
6 and
1/3 and 1/6.
1/2.
6 and a half. Oh, you're right. 6 and a half.
6 1/2.
So that's the closest we're gonna get. 6 and a half.
All right. Now we are going to measure its volume.
5. Right?
Well.
We're going to measure the volume. We're going to move the scale aside.
Yeah, I'm gonna pour this water out.
Okay. And here we've taken a cup and we added a tablespoon of water at a time and marked carefully where each of those was.
Will you, I can see your beard through it. Can you put it so it's just in front of your shirt? Yeah, there.
Okay.
Gideon, how about you?
So we looked at this and we decided that the water is a little below, when we get our eye down at the level of the water, that it's a little below 11 tablespoons. And I called it 10.8 and Gideon and Enoch called it 10.9. So we're going to call it 10.9 is the starting volume. Would you write that down there, Gideon?
I said
the starting
10.1.
Write 10.9 here.
10.9.
In the
Okay,
blank
now
area?
Enoch, would you put this egg
Down
would you
here?
carefully?
Down here in the 2
Would
blank
you-
areas?
Yes.
Alright.
Enoch, would you carefully lower the egg in here?
No.
You can't drop it, you have to set it in.
Now it looks like it.
It's not quite under, so we're going to rotate it so that it's all under the water.
That's important. It's not all under the water.
And look at it again. It's all under the water. I can see space between it and the surface.
So can I.
Now I read it between 16 and 17.
Can I get a
You take a
all
look.
eggs will be the same because eggs are different sizes.
I see it at 16.
I have 16. 16.1.
Yeah, I see it closer to 16 than to 17.
16.1.
No, I think it's 16.2.
No, it's 16.1.
We're going to go with 16.1 because 2 of us say 16.1.
That's 16.8.
All right.
Can you turn it around and let us see it? I zoomed in.
It might take time.
So we're measuring to the bottom of the meniscus, which is, the meniscus is the little curve of water that sticks to the glass and goes up the side of the glass. And we go to the bottom of that and measure it.
I don't know if I can see that here, but that's awesome.
Okay, and that's how we get the density of an egg. You Frankenstein.